In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove added networks from Hootsuite. If you have connected accounts or networks that you no longer need, removing them can help keep your Hootsuite workspace organized and prevent unused connections from staying active. To begin, open your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner. There you will see your profile image icon. Click that icon to open your account menu. This step matters because it is the doorway to the settings where social accounts and team connections are managed. After you click the profile image icon, a slide-out menu will appear. In that menu, locate the option labeled Social Accounts and Teams. Click it. Take a moment to ensure you select the correct section, since this is where the networks linked to your organization are listed. This also helps you stay on the right page, so you do not have to search through other settings. Now that you are in the Social Accounts section, you will see a list of connected profiles. Each social network connection is typically shown as a row with details about that profile. Your next job is to locate the profile you want to delete. Look carefully under the Social Accounts section and find the exact account that you want to remove from Hootsuite. This is important because deleting removes the connection, and you want to be sure you select the right one. Once you have found the profile you want to delete, look on the right side of the row. You will see a small V icon, also known as a down arrow. Click that V icon. This expands the row, revealing additional options. This step is a key part of the process because the delete option is not shown until the row is expanded. After the row expands, you will notice more controls appear within the expanded row options. Next, locate the three dots icon. The three dots icon is usually positioned inside that expanded area, near the right side of the options. Click the three dots icon to open the action menu for that specific social account. This step matters because it ensures you are applying the action only to the profile you expanded, not to others in the list. When you click the three dots icon, an option list will appear. From that list, choose Delete from Organization, or in some interface variations you may see Remove from Hootsuite. Select that option. This tells Hootsuite that you want the network removed from your connected services. Be sure you read the wording on screen and select the Delete or Remove choice that matches what you see. At this point, Hootsuite will ask you to confirm the deletion. You will see a confirmation prompt, and you must confirm by clicking Delete. This final confirmation step is there to prevent accidental removal. Before you click, take a brief moment to verify that you are confirming the removal of the correct social profile you selected earlier. Once you click Delete to confirm, Hootsuite will complete the removal process. You may notice the account disappear from the social accounts list or that the connection status updates. If the change does not appear instantly, wait a moment and then check the list again to confirm it is gone. That is the full process for removing added networks from Hootsuite. And that covers everything you need to know.